In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post on Shopify step by step. Blogging is a great way to grow your audience, improve SEO, and keep customers engaged with your store. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left sidebar and click on Online Store. After the menu expands, click on Blog Posts. This is where you can manage all the blog content for your Shopify store. Next, click on Create Blog Post. Now you'll be taken to the blog editor where you can start creating your post. Begin by entering a title for your blog post. Try to make it clear, engaging, and relevant to the topic you're writing about. After that, move to the content section and start writing your blog post. You can format text, add headings, include links, and organize everything to make it easy for readers to follow. Next, you can add an image to make your post more visually appealing. Simply click Add Image and upload a photo that matches your content. Once your blog post is ready, look for the visibility setting and make sure it's set to visible if you want the post to go live immediately. Finally, click Save. And that's it. Your Shopify blog post is now published and ready for visitors to read. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.